How to fulfill orders on Shopify by CJ Dropshipping. Add the app from the Shopify App Store. It's completely free. So once you guys do that, you can create an account. And everything like that, you'll end up being on the marketplace just like this. So the very first thing that you guys need to do is go over to my CJ. Then you want to go all the way down to orders, and then you want to go to imported orders. After this, you want to go ahead and sync store orders. Click on the sync store order button. And you guys can see there's this bar right here. Go ahead and click your store and then sync by time. Then we can sync the orders from today. Now you guys can see here, 2 orders have synced to invalid orders. And the reason why they are labeled as invalid orders is because you have to actually connect our orders and our products to the CJ Dropshipping's products, just like we would do for any product. Okay, now we will go back to the CJ Dropshipping Marketplace. And then in this box search box, you can enter the exact same as the express product link that we used, that we can use on AliExpress. And another thing you can do as well is look up the actual product on their marketplace and then connect it to your product so you guys can see we have it right here. You would go ahead and click connect. Now, once you found the product, you will click this connect button, and then you guys can see that they're already showing up right here. So you want to click this and then connect it to this one. And then you would go ahead and click connect, and that way you guys can match up the different. They will show up every single time on CJ Dropshipping. For you to fulfill that way, you don't have to do this every single time. And then another thing you guys can do is click the shipping method. I always recommend using CJ Packet this way. You guys are going to get around 7 to 15 days for shipping, and then click confirm, and you'll see connected successfully. Then what you guys can do is go back over to your orders, and you guys can see that both the orders are showing up right here. Everything's synced up with their addresses and names and everything. And you can also adjust the different shipping lines as well if you'd like to. But all you have to do is right here, you can click add the card. You can go over to the card and then drop ship orders, and then go ahead and select all these and then submit. Click the submit button that's below the screen. Bottom of the screen. And that's it. If you guys do this, all the orders will be taken care of the supplier and the supplier package. Everything, process it and ship it out to the customer. Upload tracking and even send shipping updates to your customer. So that's how you do it.